Business in the front, party in the back, and all heart. Reporter Meg Oliver introduces us to an Arkansas boy who took a pandemic hairdo and turned it into a prize-winning act of charity.
Why did you choose a mullet?
I just chose a mullet because I'm like, what would really embarrass my sister the most?
The Baltz family lives in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Like parents across the country, Lisa and Derek were desperate for creative things to do in 2020.
We started doing crazy things with our hair. Alice did her hair teal, I went red. Alan did a mullet, and my husband did a mustache. That was terrible.
What started as a way to pass the time morphed into more than a mullet for Alan. He added a faux hawk with lots of gel and then the curly perm. How did you feel about the mullet?
At first, I was really questioning my parenting skills and allowing it to happen.
But when a friend told them about the USA Mullet Championship, everything changed.
When I heard there was like $2,500, I'm like, I'm just going to donate it to foster care if I win.
Why did you want to donate it to foster care?
I was in foster care and I know completely how it feels.
In 2014, Alan and Alice were in the foster care system when they came to live with Leslie and Derek.
We expected it to be a 2-week thing, and then they would go to another placement.
2 weeks eventually turned into adoption. And when you think of the kids in foster care, what do you think about?
I just really hope they're feeling happy and hoping that a family will pick them, just like my mom, my dad picked me and my sister.
As the online mullet competition ramped up, voting was in Alan's favor. As word spread he planned to donate the prize money to foster care, independent donations poured in.
People just kept giving, and so the total was about $4,500 that the community has donated.
You won! I did not think that.
After 3 nerve-wracking rounds of voting, the kid sporting the cool shades and fresh suit had won the illustrious title USA Mullet Champion.
I was super surprised.
How many people have reached out to you since you've won?
About the whole world.
For now, the mullet may be here to stay, but for the Baltz family, this was never really about a hairstyle anyway. If you had one wish out of all of this, what would it be?
Foster care to go out of business and no more kids being in foster care.
Meg Oliver, CBS News, Jonesboro, Arkansas.
Alan donated the $2,500 prize money to 2 Arkansas foster organizations, Project Zero and Together We Foster. The Baltz family is still debating whether Alan's going to enter again to defend his title.
Gotta defend it.
You got to. Why not?
I think so.
He has a good shot, I think, again.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.